everyone, today we are going to learn about birds. Birds are a large group of animals. They are vertebrates, which means they have backbones, and like mammals, they are warm-blooded. All birds has two legs, wings, feathers, a beak or bill, and they lay eggs. Birds can be found everywhere in the world, from Antarctic, from frigid Antarctic to hot desert climates to ocean. They range in size from tiny bee hummingbirds, um, which are to 5 centimeters in length, to the ostrich, 2.75 meter tall. There are more than 10,000 species of birds in the world. Birds are everywhere, but eat many different types of food. Some eat insects, some eat fish, some eat seeds, nectar. They are Most birds fly, but not all of them. Some birds, like penguins, use their wings to help them swim instead. Some some birds, like the ostrich, they don't need to fly because they can run so fast. Still others, like the kiwi, were able to do without flying because because the island on which they live has few native predators. While many birds have feathers that are black, gray, white, colors that help camouflage and hide them from sight, other many birds put on beautiful displays. In many cases, when you see a brightly colored, they are males. They are the males. Females are often quiet colors, often more quiet colors that make them harder to spot. The male wear a bright bow feather to show the female how strong and healthy they are, so the females know they would make a good father.